Well, if I have 10, right, and 20, right, we're trying to figure out like why square root of 225 is in between these two numbers. Well, if I were to multiply, right, 10 with 10, I get 100. Multiply 20 with 20, and I get 400, right? And if I multiply the square root of 225 with itself, right, I end up getting 225, right? So 225 is a number that's in between 100 and 400. So then the square root of this must also be in between 10 and 20. Okay, now will this square root be closer to 10 or to 20? Right? As you can see here, to get from 100 to 225, it's going to be 125 off. But from here to here, it's going to be 175 off, right? So I would then, right, predict that 225, the square root of this will be closer to 10. Okay, the square root of this is closer to 10. Okay, and now let's guess and test and find the square roots of the following numbers. So we have these numbers that we want to test, okay? And for 289, okay, if I have 16 squared, so let me start writing it here. 16 squared gives me 256, right? But that's too low, okay? So this is low. But if I have 18 squared, right, this is going to be 324, right? This number is bigger than 289, so this is too high, okay? So then, right, the square root of 289, right, I would assume it would be something like 17, which is the number in between here, okay? And if you test this out, it ends up working, okay? As for the other ones, right, for 3025, if I take 46 squared, this will end up giving me 2100, right, and 16. This is still low, okay? But, right, actually, if I take instead of this, let's take 54 squared, right? This will be 2916. It's a little bit closer, but still lower than that, okay? So if I take 56 squared instead, this becomes 3136. But now it's too high, okay? So then I predict that the square root of 3025, right, I predict it to be the number in between here, which is 55, okay? And for the next number, 2209. Now, if I take, for this number, if I take 46 squared, I end up getting 2116, which is too low. So let's go a little bit higher, right? 48 squared, then I get 2304, right? So now we have something that's too low and too high. So the number in between is 47, right? So I would predict that the square root of 2209 to be 47, okay? Now, for 3721, okay? For this one, if I were to take, let's say, 60 squared, I end up getting 3600, which is too low, okay? So what about 62 squared? I end up getting 3844. So now it's too high, okay? So then I can predict that the square root of 3721 will end up being 61, right? The number that's in between these two, 60 and 62. Okay, and finally, for the last number, 8649, right? I know that 92 squared, right, will give me 8464. Okay, that's too low. But taking 94 squared, I end up getting 8,836, which now is too high. Okay, so let's predict then that 8,649, if I take the square root of this, it will end up being 91. Okay, and if you actually plug into the calculator these values, right, the equations will end up being true.